Hello, online students. Just wanted to update everybody. We have third quarter starting tomorrow, which is January 13th. So the third quarter tasks are going to be loading into the accounts throughout today or this evening. So they will be available for you tomorrow morning. Just to help everybody understand where to navigate that, this is the grade level material. So these are specific to your grade, skills that need to be learned, practiced, mastered within this grade level. That's where you will find these in your Odyssey tiles. So depending on your grade level, you may only have language arts and math tiles, but this is an upper grade, so they have tiles for all four of those content areas. When you click within the content, the language arts or the math or whatever, you may still see tiles here. That means those are lessons that you did not complete in its entirety from a previous quarter, and those are essential and they should be completed. Where you're going to find your third quarter, it is structured different. We were able to format it different this time, and I'm much happier with it. You now have a tile that just says quarter 3 and then the subject. When you click in that, you're now going to see them outlined, and you can follow the snowflake. It's going to force you to go in order. Starting with the snowflake, it's going to take you through the skills for that quarter. And it's structured exactly the same as you're used to. When you click on the lesson, you'll start with your instruction, work through a practice or supported practice, and then you will take a quiz, keeping in mind that you will repeat the quiz if you don't pass it with 80% or higher. So let me just refresh that with you. This is your main screen. You're going to find third quarter tasks within whatever content area you're working in, and it is labeled quarter 3 and the grade level that you're in. Remembering these other tasks that are still showing are assigned tasks. They only go off once you have completed them. So parents, take a look. There's a lot of tasks out there that have not been completed and should have been or should be at this point. Also want to remind everybody you are to be working in your Pathblazer reading and your Pathblazer math daily for 15 minutes. So when you get into Pathblazer math or Pathblazer reading, you're working on a diagnostic. I have added several diagnostics to accounts because people were finishing with those. When you click on a diagnostic, you'll take the test, and when the test is finished, then you will take and practice the learning tasks that come up from that test. These are things that indicate you have some gaps and it's requiring some practice. So just follow the snowflake. It helps guide you. Don't forget, students, you have a portfolio tab that you can check your recent work. You can have reports pulled or your parents can, if they want to get in there, they can look and see exactly what you've been working on for the week, for the month, for the year, or for the range that they put in. It's not as nice, parents. This report options are not as nice as what's in your parent account. So if you're not looking at that, you should be looking at that. It's very insightful. You can see how your students are doing through their learning. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through email or phone or reach out to your facilitator. Thank you.